Alright, so we're going to look at the different clip styles here between these Apple keyboards. You have two types on this one, which is a type A and a type B. What we're showing here are the three different clip sizes that you'll find on the keyboard. On the left you'll find the letter and number keys, A through Z, 0 through 9. The middle picture will have these small keys, which are the F keys, F1 through F12. This also includes the escape, the eject key, and also the arrow keys. The final picture on the right is the clip style of the larger keys, which is the enter, tab, caps, backspace, and so on and so forth. We're going to look at the letter and number keys first. This is the type A versus type B of this kind. So basically we're going to have our two different kinds of keyboards. You'll either have a type A or you'll have a type B. So if you're looking at the letter and number keys, these are the two types that we're going to find here. The type A is going to have a smaller metal piece on the right side of the middle of the clip holding it down, whereas the type B, it'll be a little bit wider. Now chances are you don't have two different keyboards in front of you and you're not able to tell the difference between the widths of these clips. So another way to tell between the type A and the type B clip is the side here, the middle of it on the top and the bottom. The type A will be straight, it'll have no cutouts in the plastic, and the type B will have a small rectangular piece cut out. Also observe the general shape of the clip and how they differ between type A and type B. Okay, moving on, the next style of clips we're going to look at between type A and type B are going to be the smaller keys, which are F1 through F12, escape, eject, and the arrow keys. These are very similar, so we're going to look at these a little bit carefully. Here's the type A versus the type B. If you have the type A clip, you'll notice on the top here there's the circular piece cut out for the rubber spring cup, and for the type B it's more of a rectangular shape. Also, if you look on the right side of the clip, on the type A, you'll see that the little plastic feet have a notch cut in them and they stick out like that. And on the type B, which is the lower one, you'll find on the very right side of the clip it'll be more of a solid piece of plastic. They're very subtle differences, but they're important. These are not interchangeable between type A and type B keyboards, so you have to make sure you know which one is yours. Okay, so we're going to move on and look at the last clip style here for these keyboards. These are the large keys, enter, tab, caps, backspace, backslash, shift keys, and so on. So once again, here's A versus B, and just like the regular keys, the metal bracket here is going to be a little bit smaller on the A than the B. But once again, that's hard to tell unless you have both sitting in front of you. So another way to tell is to look at the inner clip here. The inner clip on the top left and top right of the type A is going to be flat and be straight, nothing cut out of it. And the type B will have these two little notches cut out. I'm pointing to it right there on the type B on the bottom. You'll see that notch there. That's definitely a type B clip there. And also on the outer clip on the left and right, you'll see these rectangular notches cut out on the type B, and they're not going to be there on the type A. So I hope this clears things up on the different clip styles, type A versus type B of these Apple keyboards. Thank you for watching.